at me.
Getting these 6x9s in. Show you guys how to tear apart this G6. A couple clips here to get this off. Gonna get the rear deck out and change the 6x9s. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do that. This is a 2009 Pontiac G6. Already removed these bolts. This is all loose here. And I'm working on this. Clips here and back there. Cut you back on. Alright, YouTube, here it is. I got these all out. You got a couple clips that you got to pull. One here and two there for those side pieces. And then you just pull this outward out. You unbolt this first and then you pull that out. Then there's two small little clips on the front of your little piece here. You pull those out, the little black round clips. And then here's the 6x9s. So yeah, we're gonna pull these out and replace them with some American-based Neo 6x9s. So I'll show you guys that after I get this all pulled out. But just want to show you guys what it looks like. Trying to show you how to do this in your G6s. But alright, I'll cut you guys back on when I get a little bit further and get the new 6x9s and the little mounts. Alright guys, today's video is going to be on tearing apart the G6's dash to put a doubled-in radio in here. So I'm going to try to show you guys as much as that as I can. You got to pull these side pieces and pull the two bolts here, a couple bolts down here after you get these clips down, because there's a lip behind here that's holding this whole bezel onto the radio. And then it's just a couple screws to get the radio out. So stay tuned for that. I'm going to try to show you guys as much as I can. If I miss something or if you have any questions, please comment and I'll answer them. I'm just trying to work and film and it's kind of difficult, so I'll try to show you as much as I can. The harness is already wired up. I did all that, soldered it all up, tested taped it. So stay tuned. Once I get this thing apart a little bit, I'll keep cutting it back on and showing you guys little step-by-steps and little hidden things. Alright guys, as you can see, here's some more of the G6 build. I'm putting the double-din in. Bunch of bullshit. The harness I ordered didn't plug into the factory for some reason, so I went with this one without the OnStar, and I got to run the accessory wire to the fuse blocks. So that's next. Got all the dash and shit apart. Then I got to run my two RCAs first before I get the deck in, because I'm going to be doing a bass and a highs amp all the way to the trunk. So that'll be next too, but I want to show you guys where I'm at. If you have any questions, sorry I haven't been too detailed about this video, but put the questions down below, I'll answer them. I do this shit on the daily. I'm a mobile technician, so, but yeah, I had to go with this, so I don't think it's going to have any warning chimes like the other one I ordered had the little chime box. So we'll see how that goes. I'll let you know if I have any issues with that, but I got to get my car's wife back together before she goes to work. So, but yeah, here we are now. I'm gonna tap this into a fuse that's keyed power, because the yellow one's the one full power, you know, power all the time. This one is just keyed power, so I gotta go over there and test the fuse, which has power when the key's on all the time. This one is just keyed power, so I gotta go over there and test the fuse, which has power when the key's on. So I'm gonna do that now. Like I said, any questions on any of this, this is the 09, but they're pretty much, I think it's 05 to 010, 10. So Thanks for watching. Stay tuned, subscribe. I appreciate you guys. I always have fun talking to you guys about all this shit and helping anybody out that needs help. So I bought the Metro Dash Kit 2. The one's cheaper and it doesn't work. I have the model number. I think it's 993300 or something. But I'll get you guys a picture of that so you know which model dash kit to get for these Pontiacs. If it's perfect, nice, looks factory. So stay tuned, guys. All right, this is where we're at with the driver's side. Bunch of clips and whatnot, just pulls right off. Unhook your door handle. Getting ready to pop this speaker out and change it with a 6.5 American bass. Then I'm gonna run the wire up through the grommet to go back to the amp. So stay tuned again. All right, guys, I'm back. Got the speaker installed. These rings do work perfect. This grommet was a fucking bitch to get this wire through. I did the old coat hanger trick. That really didn't work, but I finally fucking got it by shoving it up through. Got it. Then I had to get this thing plugs in, which I didn't want to unplug, but you might be able to unplug that and it'd have been easier. But I got it through here. Fucking GoPro always shuts off. Piece of shit. It's brand fucking new. So here's where I'm at. I'm about to put the door panel back on, and then I gotta splice in some longer wire to get back to the trunk, run it to the amp, and then I gotta do it all to the other side. But I don't know if I'm gonna get back to that today. But I want to get this uploaded. I need to get another video uploaded here soon. So I don't know if I'm gonna wait and get it all done and get like the base. All right, guys. So here's where we're at. Here's the new American Bass Neo. Here's the aftermarket adapters that I purchased on Amazon. Here's the factory speaker. I mean, this is identical. Now I'm doing is I'm breaking these tabs off. Hold on, let me set the speaker down so I give you guys a better angle. These tabs, there was tabs right. I left one on here for you. Where's it at? Right there. And then I'm just gonna mount the speaker to these little holes here. So the speaker sits down in there. And then this clips into the bottom of the door and bolts at the top. And then I'm gonna run the wire through the grommet, back to the trunk, and amp it. So I just wanted to show you guys this process real quick of me doing this. Figured if you guys don't want to watch this boring, you can just fast forward, but somebody that doesn't know thinks it's interesting, check it out. All I'm doing, like I said, is just breaking away these tabs so the speaker fits down in there. Sorry about that, guys. I'm trying to do this on my workbench. And you can just break these, or they break right off. And now this speaker will fit right down in there. Nice and perfect. I'm sorry, not in frame. Nice and perfect. Nice. I love neodymium magnets. They're so small, but they're so powerful and loud. And then I'll just screw right here is where I'll screw side by side to mount this, and then I'll mount this in the door. I'm going to solder up the speaker wire so I ain't got to worry about it ever coming undone right now, and then run it through the car. So this is the old, this is the new. There'll be links down in the description. This is those speaker adapters. They're for just Chevy 06 and up Chevrolet, HHR, Impala, 6.5, 6 3/4. Fits the G6. It fits a bunch of different GM vehicles, this adapter. But like I said, that's all the mods I had to do. So stay tuned, guys. Bumping. I don't know if I'm gonna wait and get it all done and get like the base bumping too for the ending, or if I should just upload this now and then do a final walkthrough of everything. That's probably what I'll do, because I need to upload something. I haven't uploaded a video in like 2 weeks, and I like to at least do one a week. So if you guys like what you're seeing, if you have any questions on any of this stuff, man, just leave them down in the comments. I get back to everybody. Like I said, this is a 2009 Pontiac G6. That'll be in the description and the title. Like I said, what I've done so far: LED headlights, Neo 6.5s in the front. The rear deck, I did the Neo American Bass 6x9s, which are going to be amped with these, and the 2 Skar Audio 8s. If you there's a video on my YouTube channel of me building that box. That's in the trunk. Fire to get back to the trunk, run to the amp, and then I gotta do it all to the other side, but I don't know if I'm gonna get back to that today. But I want to get this uploaded. I need to get another video uploaded here soon, so I don't know if I'm gonna wait and get it all done and get like the bass bumping too for the ending, or if I should just upload this now and then do a final walkthrough of everything. That's probably what I'll do, because I need to upload something. I haven't uploaded a video in like 2 weeks, and I like to at least do one a week. So if you guys like what you're seeing, if you have any questions on any of this stuff, man, just leave them down in the comments. I get back to everybody. Like I said, this is a 2009 Pontiac G6. That'll be in the description and the title. Like I said, what I've done so far: LED headlights, Neo 6.5s in the front. The rear deck, I did the Neo American bass 6x9s, which are going to be amped with these, and the 2 Skar Audio 8s. There's a video on my YouTube channel of me building that box. That's in the trunk. Let's see, I don't have my keys to put them over here. I think I showed you guys, but oh yeah, and I did all the dome lights white and the map lights white. Like I said, this is just my wife's car, so she's just running some 8s. This is that box. If I have a YouTube video, I'll leave a link if you want to see this, how I built this box. Triple kerf, one here, one in the back, and then one around for the port length. These are Skar ZVXs, dual 4s wired at 1 ohm. I had them on that Kicker 1800 that I showed you, but now I'm just running them on the the Kicker XS 100, which is a beast ass amp, so it handles the voltage better. I mean, this car has pretty decent voltage, but it's all stock electrical. So, but alright guys, stay tuned for more. I'm probably gonna upload all this shit and put all these clips together, and then I'll do a final walkthrough when it's complete with everything playing and bumping. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you already haven't, and have a good one. But I'm gonna bump that XS 100. I just got it sitting back here for now. Let me see if this is even. Yeah. So you guys know my line. That's in Kicker XS 100 at 1 ohm. Not bridged, but sure it could handle bridged. Half ohm, but it's gonna play a little bit so you guys can see it now, so I can make this video, put it all together, put something out there for you guys. And then once, like I said, once I get all the amp, all the doors amped and everything, then I'll do another one of it fully done, everything mounted and so forth. So you guys can see that that does pretty good. So that's all my wife needs. If you guys like bass, please give me a thumbs up. Any questions, like I said, put them down in the comments. I reply real quick. I get all the notifications to my cell phone. I appreciate you guys watching through all these journeys with me. I try to do a bunch of how-to videos to show you guys the easiest ways of doing things throughout the cars that I buy in my life. So if you guys have any questions, please let me know. I'll answer them the best I can. Stuff's pretty easy though, but you know, whatever you need help with, let me know. I'm here to help the community of YouTube. So if you haven't already, please think about subscribing. I'm always doing how-to stuff like this, especially car audio. That's usually what my channel's about, but I do a lot of other things too. I know I just don't have one niche, but mostly it's car audio. But like I said, I really appreciate you guys watching and commenting. I mean, that means, you know, the world to me. I'm trying to get my YouTube channel further and further, and so far the analytics say it's getting better and better. I'm getting more subscribers and more watch time minutes, and I'm trying to do better editing, so it's more fun to watch for you guys and whatnot. So like I said, thanks for watching, and take care.